I snuck out to a movie last night. I know, but I'm a Three Stooges fan. Anyway, show's over, my phone rings. It's Matt. Turns out, though, he's a Stooges fan, too. He says, so, how many stars would you give it? Had he only seen this, the look on my face, it would have told him everything he wanted to know. But putting it into stars or even words, it loses something. How much something? Up to 93%. Studies show that's how much of the communication of our feelings is nonverbal. Studies also confirm what you already know in your gut. Our feelings are the #1 driver of the decisions we make. Emotions are information. Except 93% of that information is digitally lost. On Amazon, Yelp, Netflix, Twitter, Google reviews, 5 stars isn't worth half a star because 93% of it is missing. Hi, I'm Pat Burns, cartoonist for The New Yorker, former aerospace engineer, and co-founder of Iconicast, with a solution. Let people show what they feel in that nonverbal facial language we all instinctively understand, with an app called Smurks. Like your face, Smurks' expression can change to match your mood. Swipe your finger up to express up emotions, down for downers. Doesn't get more intuitive than that. But emotions are much more dimensional than that. And so is Smurks. Say you feel more open to something. Open your fingers. Closed? Close them. Want to turn the volume up or down? How would you do that on your iPod? Right and left. We tested our digital face by letting people post moods on Facebook, text, email. But guess who saw it for more than face value? Therapists and educators, particularly those treating children with autism, and a team of neuroscientists who is currently using Smurks to map the brain's response to emotional stimulus. They figured out the reason that facial animation works is because each smirk is in fact a data point on a 7-point scale in 3 dimensions. It's a big 3D graphic mood map. All we needed now was the back-end analytics, and we could quantify raw emotion. And that's what I'm proud to introduce today. Smurks Iconimetrix, the quantitative analysis of people's feelings. So now when someone drags and drops a smirk to one of these outlets, without even thinking about what they're doing, they're rating something. Without stars, without words, just what they feel. An emotional rating system. For anything like tracking a televised political debate, commission your own downloadable Smurks outlet to see if your candidate inspires trust, disgust, hope, or cynicism. It's real-time feedback you can't get from CNN's up and down people meter. Think of the strategic time and cost benefits over traditional post-debate polling. Same with testing a new commercial or product. You want the genuine vibe from consumers. I'm a former ad guy too, and I can't tell you how many times I've seen clients and account execs have a total disconnect in reading the emotional temperature of a focus group. Business is all about relationships. Relationships are all about understanding how the other feels, which brings us to the user. What's in it for the user to feed us all that data? Well, it's fun. It's a way to be heard and understood. And they get to consult that emotional rating to inform their own decisions. Take this outlet labeled here. It tags, well, here, wherever you are. A hotel, sports bar, car dealership, even a tech convention. I'll drag and drop this smirk to show how geeked I am about demo. Then I'll tap here to see how everyone else feels in a single smirk that expresses the statistically averaged mood. Now, Matt, after our phone call, smart guy that he is, he downloads Smurks before sneaking out to a show himself because, as you know, he cares less about what critics think than how people feel in his neck of the woods. But, he finds this smirk. Is that bad? If it's for another Adam Sandler drag comedy, yeah. But a slasher flick? Awesome! Because there's no one perfect rating with Smurks. Halloween 9 is not Caddyshack, It's a Wonderful Life. But, whoa, there are 8 screens. What movie gets that smirk? It's not a problem when the theater customizes its listing with an easily updatable menu like this. Same as a restaurant could let you smirk the service, the ambience, the onion rings, and profit from the richer analysis available through Smurks Iconimetrix. Emotions are information. They don't merely inform our decisions, they define the value we put on them. Smart technology needs emotional intelligence. Download Smurks from the App Store today. Visit us at D6 in the Pavilion or online at iconicast.com. And join us in putting the heart in the machine with Smurks and Iconimetrix. Thank you.